1. What is bioenergetics? The quantitative study of energy conversions and energy relationships in biological systems is called bioenergetics. 2. Why is energy important for living organisms? Living things cannot grow, reproduce, or exhibit characteristics of life without a continuous supply of energy. 3. What are the two fundamental processes discussed in bioenergetics? Photosynthesis and respiration. 4. What is photorespiration? Photorespiration is a process that reduces plant productivity. Photosynthesis. General concepts. 5. Define photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is a redox process in which carbon dioxide, oxidized form of carbon, is reduced to glucose, reduced form of carbon, and water is oxidized to oxygen. 6. What is the bioenergetic definition of photosynthesis? It is an energy conversion process where energy-poor molecules, CO and HO, are transformed into energy-rich molecules like glucose using sunlight. Role of light in photosynthesis. 8. What is the source of energy for photosynthesis? Sunlight, which is an electromagnetic form of energy. 9. What is the electromagnetic spectrum? The full range of electromagnetic radiation in the universe. 10. What is the wavelength range of visible light? Visible light ranges from 380 nanometers to 750 nanometers. 11. Which wavelengths of light are most effective for photosynthesis? Blue, 430 nanometers and red, 670 nanometers wavelengths are most effective. 12. What is an action spectrum? A graph showing the effectiveness of different wavelengths of light for photosynthesis. Role of carbon dioxide in photosynthesis. 13. What role does carbon dioxide play in photosynthesis? It acts as a carbon source for the synthesis of organic compounds. 14. In which part of photosynthesis is co-utilized? In the dark or light independent reactions, Calvin cycle. 15. What percentage of air contains CO? Air contains about 0.03 to 0.04% CO. 16. How does an increase in CO2 concentration affect photosynthesis? It increases the rate of photosynthesis up to a certain level, but above 1%, it slows down due to stomatal closure. Role of water in photosynthesis. 17. What is the role of water in photosynthesis? Water acts as a hydrogen and electron donor during the light-dependent reactions. 18. What is photolysis? The splitting of water into and during photosynthesis. 19. Who first hypothesized the role of water in photosynthesis? Van Niel in 1931. 20. What experiment confirmed Van Niel's hypothesis? Experiments using tagged water showed that oxygen released in photosynthesis comes from water, not CO2. Photosynthetic pigments. 21. What is a pigment? A substance that absorbs light energy for use in food synthesis. 22. Where are photosynthetic pigments found in plants? In the thylakoid membranes, granular lamellae, of chloroplasts. 23. What are the two major groups of pigments in higher plants? Chlorophylls and carotenoids. 24. What are the two main types of chlorophyll in plants? Chlorophyll A and chlorophyll B. 27. What is the structural difference between chlorophyll A and chlorophyll B? Chlorophyll A has a methyl group, CH3, on the second pyrrole ring, while chlorophyll B has an aldehyde group, CHO. 28. What are the two parts of a chlorophyll molecule? A hydrophilic head, porphyrin ring, and hydrophobic tails, phytol and methyl ester. 29. What is chlorosis? Deficiency of chlorophyll in leaves. 30. What are carotenoids? Terpenoid lipids that are yellow, orange, red, or brown pigments. 31. What are the two types of carotenoids? Carotenes and xanthophylls. 32. What is the most widespread carotene? Beta-carotene. 33. Which xanthophyll is responsible for the yellow color of foliage in autumn? Lutein. Summary of key contributions. 34. What is the importance of sunlight in photosynthesis? It provides energy for converting inorganic compounds into high-energy organic compounds. 35. Who confirmed the role of water in oxygen evolution during photosynthesis? Van Niel's hypothesis was confirmed using radioactive isotopes in 1940.